Hi everyone, this is Jojo. Welcome to my channel. Tonight I'm going to start my first outdoor video. In the past few nights, there is a bird. Very annoying, and I believe the whole resident area able to hear it. Just behind my house, somewhere behind my house, chill up. It can be non-stop, last for about 6 hours or 7 hours. Can you believe it? You cannot imagine, right? And one more thing, you will never know what time is it. It's 3 a.m. nearly 3 a.m. and I'm still awake, and I'm going to show you around. What the fuck bird is that? I doubt that this bird have an owner, and I just curious, why nobody take action against this? And my mom is getting fed up about this because disturb everybody sleeping. My mom even asked me go to find out who the hell is the owner and then go to fuck him up. Can you imagine this? To me personally, seriously, I'm not there to do this, but let's see if this bird have an owner. To be honest, I am a kind and shy person. You want me to record this video is already something not easy. Now you want me to walk out and then scold a stranger? I believe it's even harder. But to advise or warning is still possible. Talk about record a video. When I'm facing the camera, I used to be scared. And I was thinking, will anybody like me? Will they have to subscribe? Is my English pronunciations correct or not? Or will I able to bear all the criticize? But now, I totally don't give a damn. Do you know, now it's still during lockdown, and I have been hiding myself in the house for nearly 3 months. Can you imagine how long is that? It's 3 months hiding in the house only. Eat, sleep, eat, sleep. But now, I know if I don't take any initiation and start to change something, my life could be done forever because of this fucking coronavirus. Alright, let's cut the crap and let's go out now. Now I am walking outside, but the sound clearly not only from behind. It's more like surrounding area everywhere. Now you can hear the dog is barking. Another annoying. Oh my god, I can't hear any bird sound anymore. It just seems like getting far away from me. Don't know where to find the sound anymore. Maybe I should just heading back, it's better. Now it's 3 something. Everybody is asleep and I am the only one that wandering around the street. Well, mission abort. So sorry to say that. Sorry to my mom, I don't have an answer for her. I better just go home now and sleep. It's really late now. Oops, I hear the sound again. Seriously, no idea. Gosh, just give me a break. Surrender. Okay, that's all for tonight. Good night.